so for tonight's homework, which is 102, all right, let's see. Okay, all right. Now, I picked three different types of questions from the same topic, which is why it looks like this, okay? Because I want to be very specific with the kind of questions I want you to do. So the first one we're going to do is triangle portions of a. Okay, all right. So that's this one. No, this one. This kind of question right here. Oh, okay, it is. Okay, now this is not. I don't think this is easy. Okay, but not hard either. Okay, I think it's doable. Now here you got a trapezoid that's kind of thrown upside down, right? So we need to find out the area or the shaded area. Oh my god. All right, okay. So let's talk about what's the area of a trapezoid first, right? It's just base times height, right? No, hold on. Oops. Base one, right? Base one plus base two. Oops. It's Monday. I'm doing this right now. Kind of brain's a little off. All right, base one, base two times height divided by two. Yeah, that's right. Okay. All right. Now here, so here we got base one, base two. Now this is also 8.3, right? So base one. So let's label it. Why not? All right. Base one's 8.3. All right. Down here, base two is these three added up together. What would that be? Actually, I don't even. I know what to do. Okay. All right. Let's talk about the strategy also in a second. All right. So the base two, this whole thing is 19.5. The height is 5, right? As you can see here. So we got all the information. Now, before I actually start doing calculation, also, there are a couple of strategies you can use. One is you can find the area of the shaded area of these two triangles, right? Because what's the total area of the shaded sections, right? So you can find this plus this, you have an answer. That's one. You won't be wrong, okay? The second way is by looking at this entire shape and then taking away the rectangle in the middle because all you're left with then are these two triangles. All right, I'm gonna go for the second option. Okay, and if you want to try this first option just to see if your answer matches mine, then go for it. Okay. All right. Anyways, so base one plus base two, so that's 19.5 plus 8.3 All right. So let's add that up. 19.5 plus 8.3, that's 27.8. I'll rewrite it. 27.8 times 5 divided by 2. Yep. 139 divided by 2. Let's see, what's 139 divided by 2? That's 69.5, all right. Like that. Now, that's the whole thing here. So now I'm going to take away this right here. So whatever is left, because after I reduce or deduct, all right, the rectangle here, all I'm left with are these two triangles, which I actually think is a little easier. All right, now let's see. The rectangle in the middle is just 5 times 8.3. What would that be? 41.5. So this is 41.5. So I'm going to subtract. All right, so I'm going to take 69.5 minus 41.5. That's 28. All right, let me double check. 69.5 minus 41.5. Yep, it's 28. Now let me double check. So let's see. Base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. Yep, the math should be okay. Subtract the rectangle out. All right, which is 28. Let's hope I'm right. Okay, all right. Now, here's another question that you have to do tonight. Man, it's going to be a long number. It's all right. We're almost there. Okay, all right. Let me delete all of this. Okay, all right. Next one. Now I got to find the area of a trapezoid. Base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2, right? So I'll rewrite it. By the way, so I think this is a good strategy for you guys to employ. Always rewrite the equation first. All right, so I'm gonna label it. I'm not gonna write it out anymore. All right, base 1. So let's just use 16. It's fine. Plus base 2. That's 8.3. times the height, 6.6 divided by 2, like that. So I'm gonna do all the math at one go, trying to save you some time, okay? So 16 plus 8.3 is 24.3, okay? So that would be up here. What is that? Times 6.6. It's 160.38. So the whole thing up top is 160.38 divided by 2. That's 80.19. Just like that. Done. All right, one last one. Is that right? Oh, that is right. Okay, all right. A little slow. Okay, all right, now this last one is something like this. All right, now here is a triangle and a grid. So they just want to know the shaded part, which is the triangle, right? Now here you're gonna count the base. So what's the area of a triangle again? Base times height divided by 2, right? In other words, it's like half of a rectangle. Oh, okay. So, there are two ways you could approach this. You could just take this area of the entire rectangle, which is, let's see, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could do 8 times 6, right? Base times height is exactly what it is. 8 times 6 divided by 2, right? Because the whole rectangle is 48. Half of that is 24, right? Okay. 24 units squared, one square unit. Just like that. Okay, so this one should be probably the easiest thing of the three to do tonight. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching. All right, have a good night. Let's get out of here. I'll see you guys one last time tomorrow. Okay, bye now.
OMG, that was so good.